This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling everything so you can move fast. 8-12 sticks, glue, clamp, sandpaper, and paint. Once ready, sand rough edges to ensure tight joins. This prevents gaps when gluing, which weakens the fan. Lay 6 sticks side by side and mark the center line so the curve stays even. Apply a thin bead of glue along the long edge of each adjoining stick, press them together, and clamp briefly. This creates a solid, slightly flexible panel you will shape next. Once done with the panel, shape the handle by trimming and rounding one end so it's comfortable to hold. Make sure to sand after cutting. Next, create a hinge. Glue 2 extra sticks across the back near the handle base perpendicular to the panel to act as pivot supports, and clamp until set. After the hinge dries, flex the panel gently to ensure even movement. Add a dab of glue at any loose joint and let it cure fully so the fan opens smoothly without splitting. You complete the fan by painting or varnishing for protection and style. Make sure each coat dries 2-3 hours to avoid tackiness. Once dry, adhere decorative paper or fabric to the front with a 0.5 cm overlap and press firmly. Trim excess and seal edges with a thin glue line so it won't peel. If the fan droops or opens unevenly, re-glue any gaps and add a thin backing strip along the spine for stiffness. This corrective step restores alignment and keeps the fan functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.